Bring the needle out through 1 and take it down through point 2. Take the needle backward and bring the thread out through point 3. Note that point 3 should be halfway between points 1 and 2 and slightly under the straight line between 1 and 2. Take the needle in through 4. Try to mark 4 in such a way that the point 2 will lie halfway through points 3 and 4. Bring the needle out through point 2 from the bottom of previous stitch. Continue this pattern of stitching with the needle coming out from the bottom of the previous stitch always. As the name suggests, this stitch is used to mark outlines in an embroidery pattern. It is a flexible stitch that can follow easy curves. The outline stitch is a basic embroidery stitch that can be used for stems and curved lines as well as borders, as it has a rope-like appearance that is perfect for your projects. The most important thing to note when doing this stitch is always to bring up the needle on the bottom side of the previous stitch, but always on the stitching line. Keep the thread up above the needle while making this stitch always. The stitches are kept even and small.